Mental health is the current buzzword today. With the prevailing unfavorable situation of the COVID-19 pandemic, we talk and work more on mental health. Deaths, isolations, travel bans, fear of losing jobs or employment, or you can't connect with the other people, those things trigger your mental health. We have to accept the fact that pandemic has changed our mental health in negative way with no excuse. At that point, it's very important and worth to see what the mental health is and how can we protect and promote our own health, mental health. So what is meaning by mental health? WHO defines mental health as a state of well-being in which individual realizes his or her own capacity, can cope up with normal stresses of life, can work productively and efficiently, and can contribute towards his or her own community. Also, mental health includes person's ability to enjoy his life and to balance between his activities and efforts. So, mental health is very important at every stage of our life, from childhood, adolescence to adulthood. It affects the way we think, feel and act. There are several factors that affect our mental health in negative way. Some factors are biological, for example, genetics and brain chemicals. Others are life experience, abuse or trauma. Sometimes it's a life history. If there are mental health negative impact in family history, there is possibility for you to get it. How do we know we are not in good mental health? It may be you or a person known to you. Let's look at the warning signs of mental ill health. If you can notice a sudden change of person's eating pattern, maybe eating lot or eating less, or if someone is trying to stay away from social companionship, maybe relatives, your family members or with work colleagues, that's also not a positive sign of mental health. And if you feel no energy or low energy to deal with your day-to-day work, maybe your employment, maybe your education, maybe take caring of children. If you can't perform the tasks that you could perform better, if you feel that you have no energy to do things like that, also that can be considered as a warning sign of a ill mental health. And if you feel or if you experience severe swing of mood changes, or if you feel to harm yourself, to harm others, sometimes to commit your life, that is also a great warning sign. Also, some people feel they are very hopeless and helpless. This condition also can be treated as a warning sign of ill mental health. Usually, positive mental health allows people to understand their capacity. If person is healthy, he knows his capacity, what he can do and what he cannot do. He has no confusion about it. So, his performances are excellent. He is very productive and very efficient. Maybe he is working, maybe he is doing his studies, but the performances are excellent because he is a mentally healthy person. Also, you can contribute towards your society, towards your country, maybe for your universe, only if you have a good mental health. So, it's very important for us to see what can we do if we have a mental health issue, or if you notice somebody is suffering from a mental health issue, what can we do? The most important thing is we have to understand that mental health issues are very common and the professionals are there to help you. definitely you have to get the assistance of the mental health professionals. People suffer from mental health illnesses can recover completely after getting the assistance of professional mental health care. So don't be hesitate. If you feel that you are not okay, seek the assistance. That is very important. The other thing is, always try to connect with others. Of course, we know in the prevailing situation, we always discourage people to move and gather. But there are many ways to stay connected with them. Social media and technology, you have smartphone, chat groups. Get the maximum use of these technology and the social media to stay connected with people. But be careful, you have to always select the people who are positive. Don't try to connect with the people who are having negative thoughts and negative minds. We know in this pandemic situation, we always discourage people to gather and talk. But there are many ways that you will be able to connect with others. You can use social medias, smartphones, chat groups, and there are thousands of ways if you want to connect with people. Get the maximum usage of these strategies and stay connected. Don't get isolated. But be careful, you have to associate always the people who have positive mind. If you select a negative person, your mental health will affect in a negative way. So you have to choose the right person to communicate. And also have sympathy on yourself. At that situation, we know we can't be that much of productive. You may be very productive in your past era, but with the limitations and the restrictions, your productivity is limited. So sympathize yourself. There will be a day that you can do a best thing for the life and best thing for your employer and best thing for your country. Time is coming, be patient. And it's essential to follow healthy life routine. That includes exercises, nutrition food, enough sleep, and hygiene. You have to look after yourself. And finally, I would like to say you, we have 24 hours per day. We allocate 8 hours for our work, sometimes 2-4 hours more. And the rest of hours, what we are doing? Our commitments, our duties, our responsibilities are there. But we have to allocate a definite time for ourselves. There are lots of things to do for ourselves. Do something that brings happiness to you. Do something that brings hope to you. Don't forget that you are a person with a heart. So it's your duty to entertain your heart. Don't forget your heart and don't lose your heart.